Welcome to Cognixia Podcast.
Welcome to the Cognixia Podcast. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way organizations operate. From automating routine tasks to improving customer experiences and supporting strategic decision-making, AI is becoming an essential part of enterprise growth. As organizations adopt AI at scale, they also face an important question. How can they ensure AI is used responsibly, securely, and in alignment with business goals? That is where an AI governance model becomes essential. In this episode, we will explore why AI governance is no longer just a compliance requirement. It has become a business priority. We will discuss how organizations can build effective governance, why responsible AI matters, and how enterprise leaders can create policies that encourage innovation while managing risk. Let us begin by understanding what AI governance really means. An AI governance model is the framework that defines how artificial intelligence is developed, deployed, monitored, and managed across an organization. It establishes clear policies, responsibilities, and processes that help ensure AI systems remain accurate, transparent, secure, and aligned with organizational objectives. Without governance, AI projects often grow independently across departments. Teams may use different data standards, different approval processes, or different approaches to monitoring model performance. While innovation may increase initially, the organization also becomes more vulnerable to compliance issues, inconsistent decision-making, cybersecurity risks, and loss of stakeholder trust. This is why governance should not be viewed as something that slows innovation. Instead, it creates the foundation that allows innovation to scale safely and consistently. The need for governance has become even more important because AI is now influencing decisions that directly affect customers, employees, financial operations, healthcare, supply chains, and public services. When AI participates in these decisions, organizations must be able to explain how systems work, identify who is accountable, and demonstrate that appropriate controls are in place. This is where enterprise AI governance plays a critical role. Enterprise AI governance brings together business leaders, technology teams, cybersecurity professionals, legal experts, compliance officers, and data specialists to create shared standards for AI adoption. Instead of allowing each department to define its own rules, governance establishes a common framework that supports consistency across the organization. A strong governance program begins with leadership commitment. Executive leaders should treat AI governance as part of business strategy rather than an isolated technical initiative. Governance decisions affect customer trust, regulatory compliance, brand reputation, operational resilience, and long-term business value. When leadership actively supports governance initiatives, organizations are more likely to build AI systems that deliver sustainable results. Governance also depends on clearly defined accountability. Every AI solution should have identified business owners, technical owners, and governance stakeholders. When responsibilities are clearly assigned, organizations can respond more effectively to changing regulations, unexpected model behavior, or emerging risks. Another essential component is data governance. Artificial intelligence depends on data. If data is incomplete, biased, outdated, or poorly managed, AI systems are unlikely to produce reliable outcomes. Organizations therefore need policies covering data quality, privacy, ownership, security, and lifecycle management. Strong governance ensures that the data used to train and operate AI systems meets consistent quality standards while complying with privacy regulations and organizational policies. Model transparency is equally important. Many modern AI models are highly sophisticated, making it difficult for users to understand how certain recommendations or predictions are generated. While every technical detail may not be visible, organizations should still provide enough transparency for decision-makers to understand why AI produced a particular outcome. Transparency builds confidence among employees, customers, regulators, and business partners. It also makes it easier to identify errors before they create larger operational problems. Governance also requires continuous monitoring. Many organizations think AI governance ends once a model has been deployed. In reality, deployment is only the beginning. Business environments change. Customer behavior changes. Market conditions evolve. Regulations continue to develop. Data patterns shift over time. All of these factors can affect AI performance. Organizations should regularly monitor model accuracy, fairness, reliability, and security. Continuous evaluation allows teams to identify performance degradation, emerging bias, cybersecurity threats, or unexpected business impacts before they become significant issues. Another important element of an effective AI governance strategy is human oversight. Artificial intelligence should support decision-making, not replace human judgment in every situation. There are many business scenarios where experienced professionals must review AI recommendations before final decisions are made. For example, AI may recommend financial approvals, identify cybersecurity threats, prioritize healthcare cases, or assist with hiring decisions. While AI can improve efficiency, human expertise remains essential for interpreting results, evaluating context, and making responsible business decisions. Human oversight also strengthens accountability. When organizations combine AI capabilities with experienced professionals, they reduce the likelihood of unintended consequences while increasing confidence in automated systems. Governance becomes even more valuable as organizations expand AI adoption across multiple business functions. An enterprise may initially introduce AI within customer service or marketing. Later, it may expand into finance, operations, software development, cybersecurity, supply chain management, and human resources. Without standardized governance, every new implementation increases operational complexity. Policies become inconsistent, documentation varies, and risk management becomes more difficult. A common governance framework allows organizations to scale confidently while maintaining consistency across every AI initiative. Another important area is responsible AI management. Responsible AI is about more than regulatory compliance. It reflects the organization's commitment to developing AI systems that are fair, transparent, secure, inclusive, and aligned with ethical business practices. Responsible AI management encourages organizations to evaluate potential bias, protect sensitive information, maintain privacy, document decision-making processes, and regularly assess how AI affects customers and employees. Organizations that prioritize responsible AI often strengthen customer trust because they demonstrate that technology is being implemented thoughtfully rather than simply deployed as quickly as possible. Trust has become one of the most valuable business assets in the AI era. Customers increasingly want to know how organizations use their information. Employees want confidence that AI will support rather than replace responsible workplace practices. Investors and regulators expect organizations to demonstrate responsible technology governance. A well-designed governance framework addresses all of these expectations. Another critical component is the AI policy framework. Policies provide practical guidance for everyone involved in AI initiatives. They define acceptable use, security requirements, documentation standards, model approval processes, risk assessments, monitoring responsibilities, and escalation procedures. Rather than creating unnecessary bureaucracy, effective policies simplify decision-making because teams understand the expectations before projects begin. Organizations should also review governance policies regularly. Artificial intelligence evolves rapidly. New foundation models, regulatory requirements, cybersecurity risks, and business opportunities appear every year. Governance should evolve alongside these changes instead of remaining static. Continuous improvement keeps governance practical and relevant. Education also plays a significant role. Technology teams alone cannot build responsible AI organizations. Business leaders, managers, compliance professionals, legal teams, HR departments, and operational staff all need a basic understanding of AI governance principles. Upskilling employees helps organizations make better decisions, identify risks earlier, and improve collaboration between technical and business functions. This is one reason why workforce development has become closely connected to AI transformation. Organizations that invest in both technology and people are generally better prepared to achieve long-term success. So what does successful AI governance look like in practice? It looks like leadership actively supporting responsible AI initiatives. It looks like clear ownership for every AI system. It looks like consistent data standards across departments. It looks like transparent documentation and continuous model monitoring. It looks like cybersecurity teams working alongside AI developers. It looks like employees understanding when human judgment should complement AI recommendations. And perhaps most importantly, it looks like organizations building trust while continuing to innovate. As AI becomes more deeply integrated into enterprise operations, governance will become one of the defining capabilities that separates successful organizations from those that struggle with risk and inconsistency. Organizations that establish strong governance today will be better prepared for future regulations, emerging technologies, and changing customer expectations. They will also create stronger foundations for innovation because teams can develop AI solutions with confidence, knowing that appropriate policies, oversight, and accountability already exist. As we conclude today's discussion, remember that artificial intelligence is not only about smarter technology, it is also about smarter leadership. Technology may drive transformation, but governance ensures that transformation remains responsible, secure, and sustainable. An effective AI governance model enables organizations to innovate with confidence. Enterprise AI governance creates consistency across business functions. A thoughtful AI governance strategy balances opportunity with accountability. Responsible AI management strengthens trust among customers, employees, and stakeholders. And a comprehensive AI policy framework prepares organizations for the future of enterprise AI. Thank you for joining us on the Cognixia Podcast. If you enjoyed this episode, stay connected with Cognixia for more conversations on artificial intelligence, digital transformation, leadership, cybersecurity, cloud technologies, and workforce upskilling. Until next time, keep learning, keep innovating, and keep building the future responsibly.